at 375. Let's see if this Ultimate Firelink Double Explosion wants to do stuff. The last one we played was like a giant screen one, so I'm hoping this Firelink is a normal win amount. So, yeah, I do really like the big screen Firelink too, eh? At least the wilds are okay. Yeah, I think so. And it's one where they only land in the middle reels. Oh, come on. Yeah, I really can't do the math at 25 cent denom when it comes to getting the little fireballs. It's like, I just don't even know. Oh, all right, let's try 3 fast spins. Oh, come on. Hey. Oh, those... Right? Why did the cones have to get blocked? That was mean. Okay, fireballs. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. No. It's just so mean when they throw them down and it doesn't do anything. Such a tease. Yeah. Not quite what I need though, little monkeys. All right, let's try some fast spins. Hey! Oh my gosh! Wow. Well, that was amazing. Fast spin into a bonus. Now let's get it all the way to the top. Hey, alright, that's not bad. Get him in there. Yeah. Now let's get some in this one I just unlocked, please. Hey, alright. Oh, he boosts it, I think, right? When he shows up like that? Yeah. Alright, a couple's fine, I guess. But more balls! No, don't be done yet. Come on. Hey, but you gotta get them down here too. No! Last one! Yes, alright. One more to unlock though. Come on. Oh no! Okay. At least he does a little power up boost again. Hey, that's nice. 10 quarters. Oh, that's like $2 each. Come on. Oh, come on. You can't be done yet. Gotta hit those spots! Alright. I don't even know what that adds up to. Every 15 credits is a bet on this one at least. So, I've got a couple bucks. Such a fun little jingle. Bad. $70, alright. I'll take that all day. Try some more fast spins. That seems like good luck on this one. Come on. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. No. 2 more. 3 more. None more. Alright, Mr. Firelink Monkey. One's not enough. Just give me that dang wheel with the treasure chests. Alright. Come on. More balls, more fireballs. Hey, a little wild hit. Come on. Fireballs. 3 more, 3 more. Anywhere. No, not like that though. Come on. And you throw 2 as well. No. Come on. Mean old monkeys. Alright. Try a few more. Oh. A couple bets back. Fast spins. Come on, monkeys. No. Oh, there were so many right there. Come on. No. Come on, 2 more. They just keep teasing me with these 2. Come on, 2 more. Oh, I see them. They were all there. They just didn't land in the right spot. Dang it. Okay. Come on. Now you send yours too, buddy. What are we doing, little monkeys? Hey, a couple bets back. 3 out of 4. Oh, come on, come on. No! Oh, that needs to be the wild. Oh. Alright, I'm going to do 3 more. Then I'm going to take this ticket and run. At least it gave me a fun little bonus. 2 out of 3